And it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the 17th Manav Kalyan Shivi being held in our school campus here at St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Every year, this event brings together doctors, healthcare professionals, volunteers, teachers, students and members of our society who come together just for one common purpose, to serve society through compassion, awareness and humanity. Our first stop is one of the most inspiring and interesting and meaningful section of today's event, the blood donation camp. It is organized by the Blood Center from Civil Hospital, Sector 6, Panchkula. Blood donation is often described as the most greatest gift a person can give to another person. So now let's see what's happening in the camp there. So here we are entering the blood donation camp. In this room, the blood donation is being held. Many volunteers have come here to donate their precious blood drops to the other people to save their lives. So here is a donor. Namaste, sir. I'm Shreya, a student of St. Vivekanand Millennium School.
Yes.
And what are your thoughts on this blood donation camp being held here today?
ब्लड डोनेशन हर एक आदमी को देना चाहिए, इससे शरीर स्वस्थ रहता है और ब्लड तो 24 घंटे में दोबारा बन जाता है, लेकिन लोगों की हेल्प भी हो जाती है और शरीर स्वस्थ रखने के लिए हर एक बंदे को ब्लड देना बहुत जरूरी है और आगे भी देते रहना चाहिए।
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Let us now meet the doctors that are helping us in this blood donation camp. Namaste, sir. Sir, please introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Dr. Amit Sami. I am looking after the blood bank in Sector 6 Civil Hospital, Panchkula. So today it's a great camp going on, and we are happy with the response which we are with the donor are coming. They are very motivated, and you are all are also doing very good job, like in managing the camp and helping us out. So thank you very much to all the team members. Thank you so much.
Sir, nowadays there is very misconception about blood donation and people think that they should not do it. It's very unhygienic or something, or their blood level is less. So what is your thoughts on that?
So I think this has changed now. I am not feeling like this. People are feeling that this is unhygienic. It is a very hygienic part, because you see we are using the disposable bags, so the needles are also fresh. So the bags once used, it cannot be reused actually. So, and the other part is like if the hemoglobin is less, we are checking the hemoglobin first and then we are taking the donors. So I think that the notion has changed now. The people are aware, they are more motivated to donate the blood and in coming forward to helping the people out. Thank you.
What is one last message that you would like to give to everyone who is hearing today?
The youngsters who are like right now in your age, they should be motivated to donate the blood, who are of 18 years of plus age. So they should be giving the blood, I think more. People should more be encouraged about it, that the blood should be given to help the needy people. Okay, yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now let us move on to the dental camp where our pretty smile will be checked.
A healthy smile reflects a healthy lifestyle. So now we are visiting dental checkup camp organized by Bhojia Dental College, Baddi.
A healthy smile is what keeps us attractive toward others. Now here we are meeting the doctors from Bhojia Dental College who is taking dental checkup camps. Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
Sir, please introduce yourself.
Myself, Dr. Abhijit. I am serving the Department of Public Health Dentistry at Bhojia Dental College and Hospital. And it is a privilege for us to attend this special camp every year at St. Vivekanand Millennium School. They have been a very gracious host for us, and we are honored to be over here among you. Oral health is very important because it is an important component, especially in relation to our general health. So if we neglect our oral health, then it definitely affects our general health also. Our general health gets compromised if our oral health is also neglected. Oral health not only means that you have to just brush your teeth, it means you require periodic checkup and maintenance of your teeth on a timely basis. So my message to everyone is that you need to get periodically your oral care maintenance done at least once a year.
Once a year, yes.
Thanks.
It is very important. And so what is one common health issue that you noted in all of the visitors that come here today? It was very common, like, and people are just ignoring it. What is one common issue?
One common issue which we believe that people even today still ignore, despite we are all the time promoting that, is that a very simple advice to them is that they need to brush their teeth at least 2 times a day. Once in the morning and once before sleep they need to brush their teeth, because if they follow these 2 healthy tips, then it will definitely prevent the occurrence of oral diseases in their oral cavity.
Yes, thank you, sir. It was very nice having you here. It was a pleasure for the whole school to have you here. Thank you, sir.
We are very thankful to the school, to all the teachers, to the students who have been a gracious host in organizing this camp and providing us the opportunity to be part of this Manav Kalyan Shivir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
We are visiting the eye checkup camp which is conducted by Himachal Eye Hospital, Kalka.
Whether it's children, grandchildren, parents, or elders, it is very important to get our vision checked. Let us now meet our esteemed guest, a doctor from Eye Hospital, Kalka. Namaste, sir. Sir, please. Good afternoon. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Dr. Soumya Sharma, Himachal Eye Hospital, Kalka se.
Sir, what is one thing that you have noticed today that is very common in people, and what is one message that you would like to give to all of us?
See, one of the most common thing that I'm seeing today is the allergy. These days, due to new plants growing and new pollens in the atmosphere, there's a recent surge of allergic cases. Adding to it, the refractive powers, चश्मे का नंबर अब जिसको कहते हैं, distance and near vision, सबकी maximum patient had problem regarding distance and near vision. So they need to get it exactly checked in hospital itself only. So they have been advised likewise.
Sir, one advice to children you would like to give, as these days most of the children are having their own phone and they are mostly spending a lot of screen time. What is one tip you would like to give to them?
The main thing is when you have a problem, then you should have an alternative to it. The alternative to it is having sports activities indulged in your daily curriculum. Likewise, whenever a child is coming home and he has nothing to do, he'll definitely turn on his TV or phone. But if he has he has to go for dancing, or in any case sports activity like cricket or badminton, so the amount of energy he will be spending in a good things. So first of all, he'll be coming home tired, so there won't be any fun of using phone after that. So you should replace screen time with sports activities, so that the screen time can be reduced. If the child is sitting alone at home and doing nothing, then you can stop him from using phone or TV. So that's answer for your question.
Thank you, sir. It was very nice having you here.
Thank you. Same here.
Thank you. Next stop is posture correction and physiotherapy camp. Nowadays, students like us, we are sitting long hours on the same table in classes, in our classrooms and at homes too. We attend online classes and sit at the same place having the same posture.
Maintaining correct posture is essential for preventing back pain, neck pain and many other physical problems. So let us learn more from the experts.
Let us now meet the physiotherapy and posture correction camp. It is being held here by Paras Hospital, Panchkula. Namaste, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Hi, myself Dr. Ritika. I'm consultant physiotherapist in Paras Hospital.
Ma'am, what is one tip that you would like to give to the youngsters over here? Like you see here now in the room, many students are present. What is one tip that you would like to give?
The one advice I should give to the students is कि जो उनका heavy bags होते हैं, that will create a rounded posture to the students. कि उनका जो posture है usually वो extend करता है weight, ठीक है? उसकी वजह से जो हमारे pectorals होते हैं, आगे वाली muscles होते हैं, that will tighten up. और जो हमारा rhomboids होते हैं, that will hold the scapula tightly, तो वो weak हो जाता है. तो उसकी वजह से हमें एक तो pectoral stretch बहुत अच्छे से करना चाहिए और एक rhomboid strengthening हमें अच्छी सी करनी चाहिए और head posture को maintain करना चाहिए अपना straight. वो आगे अगर bend होगा तो that will create a shear forces over your cervical spine. ठीक है, तो always use study tables. राइट? तो मतलब वन टिप आई शुड गिव टू द स्टूडेंट्स इज के ऑलवेज यूज स्टडी टेबल और अवॉइड प्रोलॉन्ग सिटिंग्स, ठीक है, व्हाइल यू आर स्टडिंग, तो नेग्लेक्ट अवॉइड सिटिंग, ठीक है? थैंक यू।
Ma'am,
हाँ जी
thank you.
बताओ।
Like students are sitting in the study table in classrooms, they are sitting on the same bench for the whole day, and then when they go home they sit on the study table. So they are like sitting in the same position, the same posture for whole day. How can we break it into small periods so that our back, our neck doesn't hurt? Like students are
फॉर
facing
दैट
it.
यू कैन डू वन थिंग कि आप जैसे कि आपने प्रोलॉन्ग सिटिंग किया, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर स्टडिंग फॉर 2 hours, कि आप 2 घंटे के लिए बैठे, तो आप ब्रेक लेने के लिए यू कैन रोम अराउंड योर रूम, कि आप उठे, यू कैन हैव अ 1 glass ऑफ वाटर इन द किचन, ठीक है, वो ब्रेक हो गया आपका। और उसके बाद हर हाफ एन आवर के बाद यू शुड टेक अ ब्रेक, कि प्रोलॉन्ग सिटिंग नहीं कर, ठीक है, उसकी वजह से मसल्स में पेन, मस्कुलर पेन्स बहुत आते हैं, राइट? तो उस चीज को अवॉइड करने के लिए, पानी के लिए, कभी वॉशरूम के लिए आप चले गए, उठ गए, वो चीज यू कैन डू, ठीक है?
Thank you, ma'am. It was very nice having you here.
थैंक यू।
Strong bones are the foundation of healthy and active life. So now we are visiting bone density checkup camp conducted by Elevate A Wellness Panchkula.
Now we will meet the doctors who are taking bone checkups. Namaste, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please introduce yourself?
I am Dr. Deepa Puri. I am running the school health program. I am from the company Elevate Wellness. I provide medical facilities to the schools. So recently you have got your dental checkup done also from my organization. So we are conducting here the bone density test today. So bone density test is a graph of the bone density of the bones. Like you can see this graph.
Yes, ma'am.
हम ऐसे मशीन पे पैर रखते हैं पेशेंट का, मशीन बोन डेंसिटी ले लेती है, हमें ये ग्राफ में बताती है कि ये वैल्यूज है, जो वैल्यू आती है उस पे हम निशान लगा लेते हैं। मान लो इस पेशेंट की -1.4 आई तो मींस दिस पेशेंट फॉल्स इन ओस्टोपीनिया ग्रुप। नॉर्मल मींस पेशेंट इज नॉर्मल, पीनिया मींस हड्डियां कमजोर हो गई, पोरसिस मींस बोन्स पोरस हो रही हैं कि भूर भी सकती हैं। अब ऐसा पेशेंट अगर गिरेगा तो उसको मल्टीपल फ्रैक्चर्स हो सकते हैं। सो इसलिए बोन डेंसिटी चेक करना आज के टाइम में बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है। कैल्शियम, विटामिन डी लेवल्स सबके ही कम होते हैं। सो वी आर प्रिस्क्राइबिंग दी सप्लीमेंट्स हियर टू एवरीबडी, दोज हु आर हैविंग लो बोन डेंसिटी, सो दैट उनकी बोन हेल्थ अच्छी रहे। So thanks to the school for giving us this opportunity. We thank everybody at Vivekanand Millennium.
Stop is at the TB screening camp conducted under the guidance of consultant pulmonologist and state TB officer Haryana. Namaste, ma'am. Namaste, sir. Sir, please introduce yourself.
माय नेम डॉक्टर संदीप। हम सेक्टर 6 पंचकुला से आए हैं और टीबी स्क्रीनिंग का कैंप बेसिकली हम ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि जो ये डिजीज़ हैं, कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज़ हैं, इसीलिए ताकि लोगों की स्क्रीनिंग भी हो जाए और हेल्थ चेकअप कैंप था तो उसके साथ में ये हो जाए तो अच्छा है, क्योंकि कई बार हम आमतौर पर इन चीज़ों का ध्यान नहीं देते हैं।
आजकल के दौर में सर कोई ध्यान नहीं देता है कि टीबी भी एक बीमारी है, उसका ध्यान देना है। तो आप युवा को क्या एक वो देना चाहेंगे कि इस चीज़ से रिलेटेड आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे इसके बारे में?
देखिए, बेसिकली आजकल जो भी डिजीज़ हो रही हैं मोस्टली जो है वो लाइफस्टाइल डिजीज़ हैं, एक्चुअल डिजीज़ वो नहीं है। जैसे कि आप देखिए शुगर है, बीपी है, थायराइड है, इस तरह की ये जो चीज़ें हैं ये हमारा जो लाइफस्टाइल चेंज हुआ है उसकी वजह से दिक्कतें हैं। तो बेटर है कि हम अपना लाइफस्टाइल सुधारें, खान पान सुधारें, क्योंकि बेसिकली आजकल क्या है, जितनी यंग जनरेशन खासकर वो फास्ट फूड, जंक फूड पे ज़्यादा डिपेंड हो गई है। तो जंक फूड और उनको छोड़ के हम अपना हेल्दी फूड अगर लेंगे तो हेल्दियर लाइफस्टाइल हमारा कंटिन्यू होगा, जनरेट होगा।
यस सर।
तो यही चीज़ मैं कहना चाहूँगा। और अपना साथ में थोड़ी सी फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़, क्योंकि बच्चे के आजकल बड़े भी हैं मोबाइल पे लगे रहते हैं, तो फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ कम हो गई है, उस वजह से भी शरीर में दिक्कतें बढ़ रही हैं। तो यही 2 चीज़ों का ध्यान अगर रखें कि खाना हम अच्छा खाएं, हेल्दी खाएं, ताकि बॉडी को न्यूट्रिशंस मिले और साथ में थोड़ा सा वर्कआउट होता रहे, तो बॉडी हमारी लंबे समय तक स्वस्थ रहे। धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू सर।
वेलकम।
नमस्ते. So here we have traffic copses or the road safety rules. So आप हमें बताएं यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है?
So you are here on the counter of the copses. Here is the game. Let's go there. Then you can pass the stage. Please stand there. You have a situation that there is an ambulance और वो जा रही है और वो सायरन बजा रही है और आपके पास उसको जाने का मौका दे सकते हो, लेकिन आपको जल्दी हॉस्पिटल जाना है. तो आप क्या उसको रास्ता दोगे या फिर आप जल्दी जाओगे?
मैं उसको रास्ता दूंगी.
Okay, you played well. Okay, let's go. Wait, there is a yellow light. What does this mean?
वेट जब ट्रैफिक लगा होता है तो.
Okay. अब आप बताओ आपको राइट से जाना है या लेफ्ट से जाना है?
मेरे को राइट से जाना है.
राइट से जाना है. You are out. Because जब भी हम कार चलाते हैं तब हम राइट से ही जाते हैं, तब हम लेफ्ट से ही जाते हैं, कभी भी राइट से नहीं जाते.
ठीक है.
Okay. Thank you very much.
So thank you for guiding me with the traffic rules. So now let's go on to the next counter and see what's happening there. Namaste.
Namaste.
Can you guide me what is happening here?
Yeah, sure. This is a game between two members where one will wear the headphone and the with a song playing in it, and the other will pick one set from this basket and has to guide the one who is wearing the headphone. And the one who is wearing the has to guess that what's in the chit. So it's like a kind of dumb shlaj with a twist.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
तो चलिए अब हम अगले काउंटर की तरफ चलते हैं. नमस्ते.
नमस्ते.
आज आप कैजुअल में हैं तो शायद आज आपका बर्थडे है.
हाँ जी.
हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Thank you.
तो आप हमें बताएं यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है?
जी सर. Namaste. This is our game in which we are checking understanding of parents and their child. What we are doing is we are giving two slates to both of them and they are sitting opposite facing and they have to write an answer based on the question of their child, and the question should be similar. If the question would be, they will move to the next round.
Okay, thank you. So here we have some games. Let's ask her what is going on. Namaste.
Namaste.
So can you tell me what game is this?
The name of this game is puzzle game.
Okay, so what we have to do?
The parents will come or children will come. They have to play. They have to solve this puzzle which we give them.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
So our next counter is Alumni Corner and let's see what's happening there. Namaste.
नमस्ते.
आप यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो?
So it's a Saint Vivekanand Millennium School alumni. So here we are writing all of the batches and their names, basically their information to collect the memories and the bond of the pass out students. So yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome.
नमस्ते.
नमस्ते.
आप अपना नाम बताएं.
मेरा नाम विदिता मेहरा है.
और आप इस स्कूल से पास आउट हुए हो?
हाँ, मैं
कौन से
पिछले साल
बैच
ही
से?
इस स्कूल से पास आउट हुई हूँ पिछले साल ही.
और आपको कैसा लग रहा है आप वापस अपने स्कूल में आए हो?
मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मैं वापस अपने स्कूल में आई हूँ. मैं यहाँ रहती भी नहीं हूँ, मैं दिल्ली रहती हूँ, पर मैं फिर भी यहाँ आई हूँ. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. पुराने टीचर से मिलके बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
काउंटर की तरफ चलते हैं और देखते हैं वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है. नमस्ते.
नमस्ते.
आप बताएं यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है?
I am Ritika. I am student of class 11 to 90s, and we have organized our psychology store. We have make a pick and drop box. In this, the affirmations are written. You can keep the affirmation also, and you can put the other message for people.
Okay.
And this is our affirmation board. Many affirmations are written. You can have affirmation whether you like or and. This is our affirmation boards. Affirmation are written on it. You can take any affirmation which you like or not.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Let's go on to the Swadeshi counter. Namaste.
Namaste.
So tell us what is going on here.
We are here to share awareness about Swadeshi. Do you know what is Swadeshi?
Please you tell what it is.
Swadeshi is promoting and using products that are made in India and belongs to the people living in India.
It is not all about using Swadeshi product. It is also about having pride on our artisans, on our nation.
This is a great initiative by the government of India and our school also. तो आप भी स्वदेशी से जुड़े और स्वदेशी प्रोडक्ट्स अपनाएं. तो चलिए अब अगले काउंटर की तरफ चलते हैं। नमस्ते।
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम
बताओ।
मेरा नाम ओजस है और हम यहाँ पे आपको और मेरे को बैक्टीरिया और जर्म से सुरक्षित रखने आए हैं। हम इसको सुमन केस की मदद से समझेंगे। SUMANK। पहला स्टेप है S से सीधा।
दूसरा स्टेप है U से उल्टा, दोनों हाथों से। अगला स्टेप है मुट्ठी, दोनों हाथों से। अगला स्टेप है अंगूठा,
मेरे को बोलना।
दोनों हाथों से।
अगला स्टेप है नाखून,
दोनों हाथों से। अगला स्टेप है कलाइयाँ, दोनों हाथों से। धन्यवाद।
Here we learned how to wash our hands properly and how we can clean our hands. So now let's move on to the next counter, which is about anti-drug campaign. Namaste sir.
नमस्ते जी।
Sir, I am a student of class 11th. And sir, आप आज के यूथ को क्या बताना चाहेंगे और आप कैसे हम ड्रग्स से पीछा छुड़ा सकते हैं?
देखो, हम हरियाणा पुलिस से हैं, हमारी बकायदा टीम है। हम यूथ को सिर्फ ये बताना चाहते हैं, फिलहाल हमारे टीम का मैसेज ये है कि जो ड्रग्स है, जो नशा है, जो एडिक्शन है इस दवाइयों का, ड्रग्स का, उससे आप दूर रहें। ये आपकी हेल्थ वेल्थ दोनों के लिए बहुत ही खतरनाक है। आप इसके साइड इफेक्ट समझें, इसका नुकसान समझें, और क्योंकि आप यूथ है वो सबसे ज़्यादा इसकी ओर जा रहा है, उसको रोकना हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है। उसको रोक करके सही लाइन पे, सही दिशा में लेकर के आना और उनका ट्रीटमेंट कराना। जो बच्चे इस एडिक्शन में चले गए हैं उनको, क्योंकि हम सरकारी गवर्नमेंट से हैं और सरकारी एजेंसी है, सरकारी डिपार्टमेंट है, तो उनका सरकारी डिपार्टमेंट सिविल हॉस्पिटल से ही उनका प्रॉपर इलाज करवाते हैं। उनको एडमिट होना है तो एडमिट भी, डॉक्टर चाहे तो उनको एडमिट भी करवाते हैं, और एडमिट कराने के बाद उनका ट्रीटमेंट चलता है प्रॉपर। और ट्रीटमेंट होने के बाद भी हम उनका फॉलोअप करते हैं कि कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि आप ट्रीटमेंट छोड़ जाएं, फिर से उसी दलदल में ना फंस जाएं। ये हमारा मैसेज। तो ड्रग्स के दूर रहिए, अपने स्टेट को, अपने कंट्री को ड्रग्स फ्री करिए।
Thank you sir. Thank you so much.